Welcome all to Off the Cuff. And today I'm going to start with a dialogue from the Netflix series Hira Mandi. कोई शख्स इस कदर खूबसूरत हो सकता है is a dialogue you all have heard from Hira Mandi, one of the most watched Netflix series globally, I'll say. And I do have the lead actor with me. As soon as Taha Shah Badusha as Tajdar walked down those steps in the opening scene, he stepped into a million hearts around the world. And yes, ये शख्स बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. He is desperate, he is dedicated, and he is dashing as hell. Welcome, Taha, to Off the Cuff.
Thank you, ma'am, for such an incredible introduction. I am humble. I'm blushing. I'm become a tomato right now, all because of you. Thank you so much. Such an honor, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me.
It's my pleasure. So you are at Khan right now. How's it going there?
I am. Um, there are. You can just look at this. Just look at the people.
Oh, wow. Lovely.
It's. Look at these pavilions.
Yeah.
I mean, every minute there's like 10,000 people walking by every minute, and it's impossible. It's impossible to cover cons in how much of a time you possibly can. And I love every little moment of it. It is such an incredible experience. I'm here with the Bharat Pavilion, and they have been so kind. I just wish I knew about this before, but of course, Hira Mandi and Mr. Sanjay Bhansali has given me such an opportunity that a lot of doors have opened to me, and a lot of doors are, inviting me in, and I'm so honored and so humbled, ma'am.
Absolutely. We are loving the Netflix series here. And I will have to say, Sanjay Leela, definitely polished you into an exquisite diamond. So tell me, how are you navigating through this, newfound success after 15 years of struggle in the industry?
Ma'am, जब आपको ना इतने टाइम के बाद आपको थोड़ा बहुत recognition मिल जाता है, then you really feel like, and also, first of all, you have to keep faith. Second, you have to work very, very hard.
Mm,
Third, you have to sacrifice everything that, everything that is, like I said, going out, parties, drinking, hanging out with girls, late nights,
mm,
vacations. I don't do any of that. I didn't do any of that.
mm,
And people thought I was crazy. People called me a machine.
mm,
They're like, you're just a machine. You have no feelings. You're not experiencing life. How will you act if you can't experience life?
mm,
And I kept that all in my heart. I didn't know, many a times I felt like I was going wrong somewhere. I felt like maybe I wasn't doing it right. But I have such inspirations or idols, such as a few of them, such as, Shah Rukh Khan, Jackie Chan, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan,
mm,
and so many more. And I've been reading all their biographies. You have
mhm,
to sacrifice,
mm.
and you have to just desperately, obsessively. One day it will happen. But if you don't try and you don't do this stuff, then you're definitely not going to make it. So I said, okay, थोड़ा कोशिश कर लेते हैं. And that's what I did. I'm continuing to do that. And like you said, the newfound success which is happening, it's for me, success and failure. Right now it's all like this. For me, because I've had so much hurt in my life, and I've had so much disappointment in my life,
Mm.
that I believe you can't let success go to your head, and don't let failure go to your heart.
A
So
good
I believe
mantra.
that everything is like this. But one thing I do believe right now is that all the work that I put in,
Mm.
it it gave me fruit today. That means the harder I work, the more fruit I will get. So I'm going to work even harder and sacrifice even more, so that because now I know it's going to work. God has given me the encouragement that if you do it, you're going to get it.
Mm.
So what better encouragement than that, really, ma'am?
Absolutely. And, as an audience, I'm very, very excited to see you, what your next move is and how you can, be projected on screen because, you took so many people's breath away, not just by your looks, but by your acting. Those eyes and that smile, and just the way you carried the character of Tajdar was just absolutely marvelous. So I'm really looking forward to that. But tell me about, how did Sanjay Leela Bansali find you, and how did you get cast for this role?
मैम मैं सच बोलूं तो मेरे एक मित्र हैं, मेरे एक दोस्त हैं जो पिछले 10-12 साल से मेरे साथ,
Hmm.
मतलब लव का दी एंड के बाद वो मेरे
Ah.
साथ ही रहे हैं. He's also been my lawyer and my support system in Mumbai.
Hmm.
We used to fight a lot, but he always wanted the best for me. His name is Tushar,
Acha.
and right now he's taken a little off because he's a little sick, and I really tremendously miss him. But trust me, this man, he chased down the audition because he used to work with Mr. Bhansali, and he knew that
Hmm.
Hira Mandi was Mr. Bhansali's dream project,
Okay.
right? And
Hmm.
all he wanted was one audition for me. So me and him chased Shruti Mahajan, the casting director,
Oh.
for 15 months.
Oh.
We chased her down. We said, just please give us one audition, any audition, one scene,
Hmm.
kuch bhi, anything, please.
Hmm.
And I think finally she really got tired of us begging and coming to her office and just calling and calling and calling. That she's
Hmm.
like, you know what? Just just take this audition and go. Just take it and go.
Hmm.
So she gave me a 3-day role,
Okay.
right? And I said, I was very disappointed to have a 3-day role, but I'm like, you know what? If you're a good actor, all I need is one scene.
Oh, yes.
If I have one good scene,
Mm,
I will be able to show you if I'm a good actor or a bad actor. That's all. Just give me one scene. So I signed the 3-day contract, and I was very happy. I had no regrets.
mm,
But by the grace of God and the prayers of my mom, he called me back after about 3 weeks, and he said he wanted to meet me. So I went to his office, and I was very nervous because this was going to be literally the first time I'm going to have a sit down meeting with the greatest man in our industry, Mr. Bansali. So he speaks to me, he asks me about my past, what all I've done. And I told him, sir, मैंने ये सब किया है, पर, and he said that you did all this work, but nobody knows you. I said, well, you're right. I'm trying. He said, Shruti, इसको ये role मत दे, इसको बलराज का role दे दे, which was Tajdar's best friend's role,
okay.
right? The revolutionary,
Yes.
right? So I said, wow, okay. As long as I don't get a 3-day role, I'm getting like a 25, 30-day role. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Mm,
So I went into the look test the next day, and I started working on the other contract. And then again, after 2 weeks, when I was going to sign the contract, he gave me a random call, and they said that, sorry, but I think sir has changed his mind. और मैम मैं सच बोलूं तो मेरी लाइफ में ना, मैं इतनी बार मुझे प्रोजेक्ट से निकाला गया है, या कोई कोई और आ जाता है, या फिर मुझे साइन करके वो किसी और को लेकर शूट करने लगते हैं, मुझे बताया भी नहीं. कितनी कितनी बार हुआ है मेरे मेरे साथ. तो मैंने सोचा कि यार ये भी गया मेरे हाथ से. So I was very depressed again,
mm,
but I went up to sir, and because he said he wanted to meet me, I went up to him. और
mhm,
literally मैम मैंने उनके पैर पकड़ लिए. And I said, sir, look, please, ये मेरी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. आप जो बोलेंगे मैं करूंगा, पर प्लीज सर मुझे निकालना मत.
oh,
मतलब प्लीज, whatever you say. और अगर मुझसे कोई गलती हुई तो I really apologize. Just tell me what to do. I will do it. Please, sir. And he was very kind, very loving. He said, "Beta, beto, beto." So I sat down. I went and sat down in front of him, and I was very nervous as to what he was going to say. और फिर 1 मिनट बाद वो, जब मैं ऊपर देखता हूँ उनकी तरफ, तो फिर वो कहते हैं कि बेटा कुछ तो है तेरी आंखों में. I want you for the lead of my show,
wow.
ताजदार बलोच. मैम मैं यकीन ही नहीं कर पाया. मैं सुन हो गया.
Oh.
मैं सुन हो गया मैम. और उन्होंने कहा कि तुझे नहीं चाहिए ये रोल. मैंने बोला, सर मैं आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग what you're saying.
Okay.
I mean, is this possible what you're saying? I don't know,
Mm,
and then he's like, चल चल कल आजा लुक टेस्ट के लिए. तो जैसे मैं बाहर गया और मैं दरवाजे से जब मैंने दरवाजा बंद किया,
mm,
then I realized that
mm,
this actually happened,
mm.
that that he actually wants me for the lead role, and I've been considered. मैंने immediately अपनी मम्मी को फोन किया.
Yeah.
मैंने मम्मी को फोन किया, मेरी मम्मी पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, but this has happened and I need to do the look test and I'm coming. So वहां से फिर मेरी ताजदार की जर्नी शुरू हुई। अगले दिन मैं आया लुक टेस्ट के लिए, और फिर उसके बाद 3 महीने के लिए किसी ने मुझे फोन तक नहीं किया मैम।
ओके।
3 महीने
वेरी।
मेरे मतलब लिटरली मेरा दिल मेरे मतलब मेरे मेरे मुंह में आ गया था। हाँ, पर मैंने उनको फोन किया था, पर उन्होंने कहा कि सर ने अभी डिसाइड नहीं किया, तो मैं उनको क्या बताएं, तो मैंने फोन करना ही बंद कर दिया।
ओह।
और फिर मेरे मेरे हाथ में मैम 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स थे, और
या।
मेरे पास ज्यादा कुछ पैसे थे नहीं।
हाँ।
और मम्मी मुझे मतलब पैसे देती थी। तो मेरे पास एक मौका था जहां पर मैं 3 प्रोजेक्ट साइन करूं और मुझे बहुत सारा पैसा मिल जाता,
हम्म।
एटलीस्ट सरवाइव करने के लिए, अपने क्लासेस के लिए, जो भी था। फिर लास्ट दिन आ गया 3 महीने बाद, और मुझे मतलब फाइनल वार्निंग आ गया था कि अगर आप साइन नहीं करोगे तो दिस इज कैंसल्ड। तो टेल मी नाउ, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू? यू वांट दिस और यू डोंट वांट दिस?
हम्म।
तो मैंने मतलब दिल पे पत्थर रख के फिर मैंने सबको कह दिया कि नहीं चाहिए, आप कैंसिल कर दो, मुझे कोई बात नहीं। मैं मतलब मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, पर मुझे कहीं ना कहीं मतलब मुझे दिल में मेरा मेरा वो आ रहा है कि होगा, जरूर
हम्म।
होगा, कुछ तो होगा। यहाँ तक पहुंचा हूं तो कुछ तो होगा। तो मैंने सारे प्रोजेक्ट गिव अप कर दिए मैम। एंड 3 दिन बाद 3 दिन बाद मुझे संजय सर का कॉल आता है कि आजा सेट पे, तू मेरा ताजदार बन गया है।
Oh, what a
तो
story.
मैम आई डोंट नो, दिस इज
Nay, I think this was meant to be destiny, and you just nailed it. You nailed it, and my prayers that you go way beyond, because you have the potential, you have the looks. So from all of us here, and I just love the way you talk about your mom and the respect you have for her. I know you struggled, and your mom has struggled. What I read about you was, and you acknowledge that. That's so important, and I really really admire that about you. So
अपनी माँ को बहुत बार देखा है कि उन्होंने ना जीरो से शुरू किया है। उन्होंने गाड़ी वाड़ी बेच दी, उनके पास कुछ पैसे नहीं थे। सैक्रिफाइस फूड ऑल्सो टू फीड मी एंड माई एल्डर ब्रदर। ये बचपन की बात है, जब हम लोग 6-7 साल के थे। एंड शी इज अ सिंगल मदर, शी ब्रॉट अस अप। एंड मैं आज जो कुछ भी हूँ, is not just to say, just to say my mom, no, because this is as bigger dream than mine. It's become my mom's dream. And for me, more than making it my success, it has become that I really want to make her proud. I want to win all the awards. I want to get all the everything that I can, adulation, whatever, because
Mhm.
for me right now it just means this, but for my mom it doesn't mean this. She actually truly becomes happy.
Yes.
She truly, she first time and so many years, ma'am, so many years. अभी मैं यहाँ पे कैंस में आया था, और बस I think I just walked the red carpet yesterday. ऐश्वर्या राय भी यहीं पे थी, हम लोग we were walking, and and my mom said, "Are you happy?"
Uh-huh.
I said, "I'm fine." मतलब ये तो मतलब मैं कर रहा हूँ, मतलब मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. But
Yeah.
she said that I am very happy.
Okay.
She said I am very happy,
Yeah.
and she never says that. She never says that. So I'm so glad that I can, and I continue to hope that I will continue to keep making her happy, making her proud. And yeah, just I want to sign her name in the sky. That's what I want to do.
Oh, how sweet. And as a mother, I can understand. I can understand your mother's feelings. So now moving forward, I know wo ho gaya. Once you got in, I've heard such stories about. I am a huge admirer of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's work, but he's a strickler, he's a perfectionist, he breathes his cinema. And what a lot of your co-actors said, like Racha Chadda, who was exemplary, she said she had to do 99 retakes for a song. And so did Sonakshi say, like, he changes on sets immediately. So tell me about your interaction. How was it, and what did you learn from this entire experience of Hira Mandi?
Ma'am, luckily I didn't have to do 99 takes. पहले 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 10 दिन तो मुझे सिर्फ 2-2 टेक्स दिए जा रहे थे। तू
अच्छा।
जल्दी जल्दी कर, मैं
अच्छा।
तुझे 2 टेक्स्ट दूंगा। मैं बोला सर मैं करता हूँ, मैं करता हूँ, मैं करता हूँ, आप टेंशन मत लो, मैं करता हूँ। So
Uh-huh.
I believe that, because of my all my gurus, all my acting coaches, Dr. Das, Atul sir, and so many more, Scott Sedita, so many teachers I've had, ma'am, over the years. And I just have to say thank you to all of them, first of all, because they have given me such a strong understanding of the craft of acting,
Mm.
you know. And without that, I don't think I would ever be able to do it in even 150 takes. But because of that, I believe that it has given me the confidence as an actor, you know. And also, ma'am, I believe I might have not gone out with friends, or I might not have done all that stuff, experienced life, as they say, but I have gotten a lot of rejections, and I
Uh,
have a lot of pain in my heart,
mm.
and I have a lot of heartbreak. So I think I've used that, as Meryl Streep said, use your pain to create art,
Absolutely. Yeah, I
you
remember that.
know.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's exactly what I try to do. And you know, and every time on set with him, it's a different experience because he's an institute in acting. I mean, he's an institute in filmmaking, in all of the film world. He's an institute. I believe that acting comes very naturally to him. And he has very minute gestures in his eyes,
Yes.
and the way he'll move his hand, the way he will move his eyebrow. So as an actor, you have to be very observant at
Okay.
certain times when he's explaining the scene to you, because he'll only explain it once.
Mm.
He won't explain it again, and then
Okay.
you have to be very smart, and you have to, like, okay, fine, I got it, I got it, I got it.
Okay.
Because like I said, he wouldn't give me more than 2 or 3 takes in the first 10 days, and I had to be on my toes. तो वो जो आपने मुशायरा देखा होगा,
हाँ.
जहाँ पर मैं ऐसे जाता हूँ और मैं पहली बार, I got 2 takes for that. I
Oh,
got 2 takes for that whole scene. जब भी
अच्छा.
मैं आलम के पीछे से मैं आता था ऐसे,
हाँ.
2 takes. That's
Wow.
it. And
Okay.
so I believe that also you're scared, right? क्योंकि आपको गलती नहीं करनी है, सर आपको डांटेंगे. So I believe that all this just came into play. I believe he's treated me like a son, ma'am. He's treated me very kindly.
Uh,
People say that he's very hard, and he should be hard. There's nothing
yeah.
wrong with it. I believe your principals are hard, your teachers are hard, your parents are hard, but they're hard because they want better for you. They want you to do better. ऐसे वो मतलब he's not passing time just to get angry. No, that's not how he does it. He wants to get out the best from you. He wants to get out the best from himself. And I believe that such a person has so much to teach the world. So even being in his midst for 100 days that I was, I believe it's a life experience of at least 20 years that I got from him.
Yeah.
His minute detail to everything in the frame. Every pixel in the frame should be beautiful,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And every costume, the way the hair falls,
Yes.
the way the jewelry is kept, the way your background artist or your junior
Mm.
artists are placed. उनके जो टोपियां हैं, should it be bent or should it be straight? Everything is minutely observed by this incredible human being. And so really, I believe that, God lies in the detail, and he sees God. He's connected to God, spiritually with his soul, and he brings that into the filmmaking. And for me, I'm a lifelong student, and I believe that in front of him, I can be a student all my life. So I really can't tell you what I've learned or what I've not. Just being with him is consistent learning every second of the day.
Yeah. I think I see a little bit of Sanjay Leela Bansali in you because you are also such a perfectionist and a hard worker. And I think, being an outsider in the industry, I think it's my, thought that your desperation and drive sets you apart from the star kids. That's what I feel,
I really hope so.
Yeah. No,
I
I
really
mean,
hope so.
yeah.
I mean, I feel that desperation. I mean, it has nothing to do with Star Kids. It's every human's thing.
Yeah.
There can be a Star Kid who comes up, and and they really want to make themselves. So I wouldn't generalize it. I
Yes.
believe that every human and every person has their own choice to make.
Yes.
But the desperation and obsession for your passion,
Yes,
is your choice, and
absolutely.
you can easily get swayed in this industry because you get a lot of glamour, you get a lot of a lot of things in this industry, and I believe that's why I never stayed alone in Mumbai. I always made sure कि मैं अपनी मम्मी के साथ रहूं, मैं अपने लोगों के साथ रहूं, कि because it gives you a sense of responsibility. वरना फिर आप रातों रात आप बाहर रहोगे, आप बाहर जाओगे, बट जब आपकी मम्मी रहती है ना, तो फिर आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते इससे, फिर आपको कॉल आने शुरू हो जाएंगे कि कहाँ पर हो, कब आओगे, खाना खाया कि नहीं. So I believe that that also keeps you very focused
Grounded,
and disciplined.
grounded also.
Yes, so I love staying with my mom, with my brother, with my bhabhi, because um uh, I give them a lot of respect. They give me a lot of respect, and with them being around, I don't think I can ever sway in the wrong direction.
Absolutely. And for star kids, they carry their own burden of a
They
family that
do.
they have to prove. Yeah. So that's a huge one for them too. So any scene, Taha, that made you nervous when you were?
So which scene? Oh my God! I guess the one scene that really stayed with me
Ah,
is the scene where I was a couple of scenes, but I have to be couple of scenes. I'll tell you two scenes. First of
okay.
all, any scene with Farida ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Farida Jalal ma'am, I believe that she is a gem of a person. She has treated me like a grandson, and so much love and adoration, and always so cute. जब भी मैं उनसे पूछता था, जब भी कोई भी पूछता था, ma'am, how are you? तो वो बोलती थी, I'm just like a laddu, 1 by 2. And she's
Mm.
always so jolly and so joyful. She brings a very different energy to the set, a very baby, childish energy to the set. And I feel that I have fed off that in every scene that I was with her. I think I have become a baby with her, and I love that. I love that. And another scene that I would have to say is a couple of the romantic scenes, I guess, with Charmin, because I I love romance. I love showing love on screen. I believe that there is no bigger emotion than love, and the reason I have gotten so much love today is because of doing romance. Because somehow romance just kind of touches everybody's heart. आप कुछ भी कर लो, आप बेहतरीन से बेहतरीन रोल कर लो ना, पर जब आप रोमांस करते हो ना, तो सारे ऑडियंस बस they just love it because everybody falls in love in their life. So I
Abs-
believe some of the romantic scenes is the most beautiful scenes.
yeah.
And the last one, of course, जहाँ पर मैं उल्टा लटका गया हूँ, I feel that
Oh,
that scene was one of my favorite because I knew if I win that scene, और अगर उस सीन में अगर
mm,
लोग रोए,
mm,
if they cry and if they're like, oh my God, no, 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 please don't, then I knew that I will win their hearts. And so lucky and I am so blessed that people come and say that, yeah, that scene made us cry. That scene, we cannot get over that scene. We
yes.
cannot. Why did you die? You should not have died. So I believe that that scene was one of my favorites.
And that was very impactful, I think, for the entire story. I have to say, your love story. And Taha, I know you said you love romance, and I know I won't, keep you for too long. जाते जाते अगर आप वो एक बार देख लीजिए, एक बार ही बोल दीजिए, और तो मेरा तो दिन पूरा हो
मैं जरूर
जाएगा.
बोलूंगा.
Yes, please.
मैं जरूर बोलूंगा मैम आपके लिए. एक सेकंड आप. एक सेकंड मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ.
Okay.
मैं छाव में जाके करता हूँ आपके लिए आराम से.
अरे, so
अच्छा.
sweet.
एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हम,
Uh,
परवाना बना दीजिए.
God. Oh God. That's why, Taha, you are the best. And you've been accepted as the romantic hero of today. And I wish you stars and skies and everything that you wish in life. I love your focus, I love your resilience and your commitment to your craft. And in your
Thank you,
entire
ma'am.
15 years in the industry has shown everybody that. I'm going to follow you and be rooting for you as a fan. My blessings and my love, Taha. Thank you for the time you're giving.
Thank you, ma'am, for your blessings. All I need is your blessings and love. Thank you. Love
Take
you,
care.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Enjoy Cannes. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye, ma'am.
lots of love. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Shosha is a creative Indian restaurant located in the heart of Silicon Valley. Shosha is a woman-owned business that serves traditional Indian flavors assimilated with molecular gastronomy techniques. The best Indian bar with happy hours in the Bay Area serves handcrafted drinks inspired by flavors from India with modern craft cocktails that are presented in unique ways. Shosha is a modern take on traditional Indian cuisine. We specialize in corporate luncheon, anniversary celebrations, birthday parties, and catering. Do check us out for a memorable modern Indian dining experience. Shosha is located at 141 South Murphy Avenue in Sunnyvale, California.